All right, we are back once again. Thank God it's Mathematics Day. We love it so much that we practice all the time. So, you practiced enough? Because your exam, I made sure it's as difficult as possible, since you all practice a lot. So I cannot make it easy, unfortunately. We know how to factorize quadratic expressions. We know how to find the roots of an equation. We know how to solve quadratic equations. And now we are going to factorize the thing you have been waiting for a very long time. When you have something greater than 1x squared, 5x squared, 36x squared. Sorry? Yes. Three x squared plus 13x plus 4. There we go. When it was x squared, it was easy. It was just x plus x minus x and done. But in this specific scenario, you have 3x squared. So what does that mean? That means there are more than just one possible solution. There are plenty of solutions. Two brackets, always. So, one thing you should look for is this number up front. Something multiplied by something equals 3. What is that now? What are the possibilities? 1 times 2 is 3? 1 times 3. That is the, and 3 times 1.
75 times 4.
Using only whole numbers. So we have 3 and 1. That's the first step. Remember, as we progress, you will see we have more possible solutions. All right. The first thing you do is find the first one. What are the possibilities for the first one? 3 and 1, 1 and 3. Technically the same thing. The second step, the last one. What multiplied by what equals 4? What are the possibilities? Correct. 4. You have 1, 4 and 2 and 2. Those are the two possibilities. And now what do you have to do? Go, they say in English, trial and error. What does that mean? You're going to place it in the brackets, see if it works out. If it doesn't work out, go for the other one. Correct. And as you progress, imagine if you have 16x squared. How many possibilities are there with 16x squared? 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. So you can imagine, you have to be able to do it quickly. That's why you do the first one, x squared plus 5x plus 10. You practice on that. So when you get to these, you should be able to do it quickly. Yes? So 1 and 4, 2 and 2. As you progress with these as well, you can look at the possibilities, these possibilities, and take a guess as to which one it is. In this case, it's only 2. You can imagine in certain cases you can get up to like 5. 5 here and then 4 there. So the possibilities are plenty. So you should be able to guess by practicing a lot which one it is. So, in this specific case, I know it's already 3x and x. If I choose 1 and 4, remember they're both positive. So both answers have to be positive. All right, positive and positive. The number in the middle, what is the number in the middle? 2 numbers added together become 13. So if I say 4 in the back, 1 up front, both are positive. That means 3 times 4 is 12, and then 1 times x, 13. That's the correct answer. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 and 12 is 13. You can change it, and then the answer is incorrect. What if I say 4 here, 4 there, and 1 there? The answer is completely different. Then you have 3x plus 4x. So the middle one is 7x, which is incorrect. 1 and 4. So watch out, you can switch them of places. So that's what you have to do. Watch out. Another one. Let's take one, 6x squared. 3. All right. The first thing you look at, 6x or 6. What are the possibilities with 6? You have 1 and 6, and you have 2 and 3. So you have 2 different possibilities for the first one. So your answer can become x, 6x, or 6xx, it's the same thing, or 2x, 3x. These are the possibilities. Sorry? Correct. Because as you see, x times 6x is x squared, but 2x times 3x is also 6 squared. And then you go for the last one, 3. What are the possibilities with 3? 1 and 3. That's it. There are no more possibilities in 3. Yes, because they need to be multiplied. Yes. So for 3, it's 1 and 3. That's it. So it's either, let me write all the possibilities. X, 6x, and the other one,
2x, 3x.
So, what are my answers? Possible answers, 1 and 3. So it's either 1, 3, or it's 3, 1, and then the other one, 1, 3, or 3 and 1. Those are the possible solutions. And now, trial and error. You have to go see, oh, is one of them possible? And you have to be quick about it. You cannot take 10 minutes to figure out the answer.
3x and 1 and 6.
So if you look at the first one, x times 3 is 3x, x times 6 is 6x. So you have 3x plus 6x. Wrong. So this cannot be the answer. This is not the answer. The other one,
X plus 3 is 18x.
you have x times 1 is 1x or x, and then you have 3 times 6 is 18x. So it's too much. So that is not the answer. Yes, as you progress, you see you go at it quickly.
6x and 3x.
So here you have
Same thing as the first one.
6x and
2x and 3. Here you have 6x and 3x is 9x.
Same thing as the
So
it's wrong.
it's wrong.
So the last one.
So the last one I'm not even going to do because it should be that one. But since you are from 4, you are going to check.
down.
3 times.
9x.
Yes, you have 2x plus 9x equals 11x. There we go. That's the answer.
You know what I want? 2x, you're gonna deal with less than 2x. Now, less than 2x times 1.
Yes, and then 3 times 3x. The easier version. Yes, as you progress, you should be able to do it quickly. It's as easy as the first one. Sorry? This is math.
Small, what do you call that? Small percentage of math.
Another one. Fifth.
Yeah, just
Oh.
get this.
What is that?
Where are we? Sorry? Some type of Adobe thing. 15x, 15, 29, 12. Plus 12. All right, there we go. 15x squared. What are the possibilities
115.
of 15?
5, 5, 5, 3. 15.
You look at x. Since everything is positive, that's easy. So far, all of these are positive, so it's easy. Imagine if you get negative and positive. Then the answers become even more. Positive, and then here I have 15. Or I place,
3x and 5x.
no, x still,
Umasa.
1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. Yes. And then the other answers are 3 and 5. It has to do with the last one. How many possibilities do you have for 12? All right. So for 12, what do you have possibilities for 12? 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. All right, those are the possibilities for 12. So what do you have to do? Place them all in there. 1, 12. Oh wait, it's not actually 3 for each. It's 6 for each. But of course, you're not going to write all of them.
6 for each.
Yes, because you have to switch them as well.
Yes.
Because you have 12 and 1 as well. But of course, you're not going to write all of them. You already made 3, so you are already correct. You already know, for example, you use your pencil, right? You use your pencil. 1 and 12 in the middle. There we go. It is 15x plus 12x. So it's 27x. It's wrong. Then you change it. Bam, bam.
30 and 6.
You put 1 there and what? 12 here and 1 here. So what do you have? 12 times 15. I already know that's wrong.
That's the 150. Yes, 2 and 6. Implement the solid 36.
2 and 6
Solid 36.
is 30, 36. Yeah, so you know it's wrong. Then you swap them. You say 6 and 2. And it's too much. You know it's too much. Then you continue.
45. And the moment.
Nah, 3 and 4 the mass.
Yeah, if you put 3, it's too much. So you know in advance, only looking at 1 and 15, that's not the answer.
60.
So you have to go 3 and 5.
1 and 12.
You put 1, 12. You have 5x,
36 with the ball.
36. So you know it's wrong. Then you change it. 12. So it's even worse. So it's not 12 and 1.
10 and 18 with the ball.
2 and 6. 10 and 18. It's 28. No.
3 and 4.
Oh, 3 and 5.
15 and 12.
15 and 12.
15 and 11.
It's 27.
20 and 9.
Then you switch them.
3 in the back.
It's 30. No, it's too much.
36. 3 in the back.
So it has to be 3 and 4.
3 and 4. There's a 4 in the front, 3 in the back. So that's like
4, 3. You have 20 and 29. 20 and 9 becomes 29.
Smart on the 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. We already knew that from the beginning. We already knew that.
So what is your answer? 4 and 3. This is your answer. How do you get to the answer? Yeah, that's what I said. So you have to be adept at multiplying. Before we get to minus, we have to do something first. Plus 1. By doing plus 1, there is some. These are the easiest ones. Why are they the easiest one? Because the last one is 1. So it's only 1. So what can be multiplied to get 1?
1.
So 1, 1. Those are the easiest ones when you have 1 in the back.
See the 1? How many combinations is a 1?
No, because you have the 1 up front.
15.
It can be 15 and 1. It can be 5 and 3 as well. 15 and 1 and 5 and 3. You have 15 and 1, and you have 3x and 5. You either have this, or you have x and 5x plus 1. Those are the only possible solutions with 1 in the back. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3. No, it's not 18. This one is did I write it wrong? Oh yes, I wrote it wrong. Sorry. It's 8x, sorry. It's 8x. I wrote it wrong. It's 8x. So it's this one. Here, I wrote 18. It should be 8. Yes, my apologies. Yes. So these are the possibilities with 1. Every time you have 1 in the back, it's easy. 1, 1. It's only 1.
Plus 36.
Here we go. Negative. 6x squared minus 10 minus 4. So, possible solutions for 6. 1, 6, 2, and 3. Possible solutions for negative 4. Remember, negative 4.
negative 1 minus 4.
You have 1, 4, and 2, 2. And now you have to go play with all of them. Minus, positive, positive, negative, negative, negative. So, I look for 1 and 6. When I have When you practice a lot, you will see the difference. When you have negative, negative, your answer has to be positive, negative. It has to be like that. So one is positive, is one is negative. When you have negative, negative. Yes. Because minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. You have to try it. So if you place 1 and 4 first, 1 here, you have 6x minus 4x. It's incorrect. So if you switch them, 4, 1, 24x, then you know for sure that is wrong. If you have 2 and 2, you know you have 12x minus 12x minus 2. So it's 10x. I don't need positive 10x, I need negative 10x. So you swap. No, swap. Oh, wait. You can swap this as well. You can swap that as well. Now you have minus 12x plus 2, and that is the correct answer. Like this. You can swap the operations as well. The only way to find the answers is by practicing a lot.
Minus 2 times 6 is minus 12. Plus 2 is minus 10. Minus 2. Minus 2 times 6 minus 12 plus 2 minus 10. I have to think it. Yeah, don't into the chat. W in the chat, guys.
So you can practice all of these now. Yes? 10x, 12, 7. You can practice all of those. Yes. Sorry? What do you mean? What do you mean? If it says factorize, yes. You can still say find the roots. These are find the roots. You see, equals 0. Find the roots. So let's make one of these so you can see an example. 4x, 4, 5, 6.
Is 0 equivalent to something? Or is 0 nothing?
When you say 0, it means you have nothing of something.
Well, what is something if it's nothing?
What is something if it's nothing? We didn't say it. I say you have nothing of a something. Meaning, if I say how many pens do I have 0 because I have nothing of this quantity. No, some people stop looking at TikTok. People trying to be smart. No, looking at TikTok, people trying to be smart. The most dangerous people are those who think they are smart. Which one did you say? 10x plus 7? This? This. So you have 10x squared minus 7x plus 1 equals 0. I will give negative 5 points since you are too smart. Huh? This is a good one. This is a good one. Because both of them are not positive 1.
The x is negative 7x. How do you do this? Yo, what kind of
We just stated when you have 1, there is only one possible solution. 1, 1. But in this specific case, this is a nice one. Why? You have positive and negative. So, in this specific scenario, both are negative. No, I thought it was positive. Then I looked at the 7 is minus 7. So by definition, both of them have to be negative. Both of them have to be negative. Negative.
See? So bracket them.
Well, you're not finished. You have to place them in brackets. So what are the solutions of 10, 1 and 10, 2 and 5?
2.5 and 4.
We only use whole numbers. So if I place 10x and x, that is 9x, so it's incorrect. So by definition, it has to be 2 and 5. It is 6, 7, correct. So this is the answer.
6, 5 and 2.
Oh, sorry, 5 minus 2,
7.
7. So this is the answer. Yes, that is the answer.
5 minus. How does that work?
And then you're not finished, you just factorize. Sorry? Correct. Equals 0. So what did we say? Either this is 0 or this is 0. So what do you get? 2x minus 1 equals 0 or 5x minus 1 equals 0. So what do you get? 2x equals 1 or 5x equals 1. X equals a half or x equals a fifth. Now you're finished. Yes. When you only have x, it's easy. Now you have 2x, 3x, 6x. It becomes more complicated.